Hi, my name's Dirk DeTillian. This is my first cohort class. I've been doing online classes at MVNU for about a year and a few months now. I'm 38 years old. Been in restaurants my whole life as a restaurant manager. And the reason I want to become a teacher is to go back and finish what I started. When I went to college the first time around, didn't quite get it done. Because I want to be able to see my family and my kids grow up. That's my ultimate goal, is to have the freedom to teach children, which I'm very passionate about. More so, though, it's for personal reasons, so I can be there for my family and watch my kids grow up. Something that I enjoy personally, I enjoy the ocean. Me and my family go to Virginia Beach every single year on the 4th of July. It's kind of a tradition that we do. It's a great time. We enjoy ourselves, and it's something we look forward to. Hopefully, we'll get to know each other throughout this class and throughout the cohort to come. And I'm hoping to learn a lot from this class. Thanks.